Good morning, Namaste viewers. I am back with another video. Today my video is of another GoPro Hero mount. It is a magnetic mount which is very easy to handle while you are vlogging on a different locations. So let me show you the product. This is a magnetic mount and this is specially designed for those who are using दिस माउंट इन अ कार. ये आप कार ब्लॉगिंग के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेट है इसमें और इसको अगर आप कार में यूज़ करना चाहते हैं तो इसके लिए आप इसको ऐसे बैठा सकते हैं. And it's a very strong magnet. It says it can withstand speeds of 80 kmph. So we shall take some footage with the help of this magnetic mount and we'll check how strong it is. Also you have a rope so that you can tie it like this. Also it can be used in POV shots. I will show you all the angles one by one. So let's start. Now our first position will be the bonnet mount. Now for precaution I will tell you to use a wired rope which will help you in case your GoPro falls off, then it won't be lost. We'll see all the angles that are possible with this particular mount. So we have started it. Let's check. I am driving at around 40 kmph. I have raised the speed to around 60, but still it's. We'll go for the roof mount. Since there is no position to mount the tie the rope, I will drive little bit carefully. Actually in city there is a risk of waiting at traffic light. Some miscreants may steal your GoPro just by pulling it from the roof mount. I am driving at 40 to 50 kmph. I think when you are taking footage, you are not going to drive at the neck brake speed because taking proper footage will be your main priority. Now we will mount on the back side.
गिर जाने से 40,000.
हाँ, गिर जाने से we purchased at 35,000. So we'll be driving carefully. Now the rear boot view.